Hello friends, and now we are going to discuss on next chapter, new chapter. This is logical operation and Boolean algebra. As we know, we have seen that all the operations of computer are based on binary numbers. We know very well all the operations of computer are based on binary numbers. So in this chapter we will discuss an algebra called Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a special branch of algebra that deals with the binary number systems. I told you in previous classes now. As we know, many digital devices, also including computer system, are designed using Boolean algebra. Means many digital devices and computer systems are designed using Boolean algebra. And we know very well Boolean algebra is also used in the designing of computer logic circuits, which is the very important part computer processor. Okay, so now we are going to know what is Boolean algebra. As I told you already, Boolean algebra is a branch of algebra named Boolean algebra was discovered by George Boole in 1854, and this algebra was based on logical statement, and logical statement are those statement in which we get answer in the form of yes or no. Like, are you reading? So it may be answer yes or no. So this is logical statement, and statement is also known as expression. So we can say logical statement or logical expression. So this one is the logical statement. Are you going? So you will reply yes or no. So this is also a logical statement. But if I will say please sit down, please sit down, so there is no need of yes or no. You will follow my order. So this is not logical statements. If I will say uh, come on, come on, yeah, go there, so this is also not logical statements. If we will get answer in the form of yes or no, then these equations, these expressions, these statements are known as logical statements. Like New Delhi is a capital of India, this is the logical statements. Okay, and in 1938, Claude Shannon used Boolean algebra in switching circuit. He designed a simple circuit by solving typical circuit with the help of Boolean algebra. So later on, this algebra was used in digital circuit of computer. This is very important. Um, in in past, you can say when Boolean algebra discovered, that time this algebra has no practical use. But after 1938, this algebra used by solving typical circuit. Okay, so before 1938 there were no any use of Boolean algebra, but after 1938 this Boolean algebra used to design logic circuits. And who used Boolean algebra for designing logic circuits? Mr. Claude Shannon used Boolean algebra to design logic circuits. Okay, now we are going to know logical statements. As I told you very well, logical statements are also say logical expression are those statements which have only two answers, that is true or false, that is yes or no. It means for every question there is only two answers. So those statements which have only two answers, true or false, yes or no, these statements are known as logical statements. And I told you already, today is a rainy day, answer will be yes or no, that is logical statement. Okay, have you done your work? You will reply yes or no, that is also logical statements. Now we are going to know logical variable. Those variables which have only two value, those variables which have only two value, 0 or 1, are called logical variable or Boolean variable. Like let assume x plus y is equal to 20. X and y both are variable. We know, we used in C language, याद आया? x plus y is equal to 20. X and y are variables. 20 is a constant. Yes, and y are variables. 20 is a constant. Same in here. Those variable which have only two values, 0 or 1, that's called logical variable or boolean variable. Like Ram is reading is stored in A, so A is a logical variable. So A has only two value, that is true or false. Okay, now we are going to know logical constants and truth value. I told you logical variable. Now we are going to know what is logical constant. The value of logical variable is known as logical constant. Like x is equal to 20. Here x means variable, x is equal to 20. Here x is variable and 20 is constant. Same here in Boolean variable. The value of t or f is known as logical constant. So t means 1, f means 0, true means 1, false means 0. 0 and 1 both are Boolean constant or logical constant. We know very well now. 0 and 1 are the logical constant. Now what is the truth value? As we know, there is only two possibility in the logic statement, and there are so these are two called the truth value. We know very well there is only two possibility in logic statement, and these two are called the truth value. And what are the possibility? Expression may be true means T, or expression may be false means F. T and F are the truth value. 0 and 1 are the logical constant. Okay.